I have taken this video for the students of class 10th. The subject is maths and exercise is 3.4. So please, students of class 10, see here. In this exercise, we have to solve the following for x and y by using method of cross multiplication. As in earlier videos, we have solved exercise 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 in different methods, means like elimination method, substitution method. So in this way, we have to solve here by using cross multiplication method. Means for two variables x and y, we have to solve these questions. So see here, first of all, suppose that a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Equation first is given here, and same as a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 is given here as equation 2. Okay, so how can we find the formula of cross multiplication method? See here, in your book it is given how to derive the formula, but I am writing here directly formula. That is, suppose that these two equations are here, so we get here formula x upon, means when we take x, then b1 into c2. See here, b1 into c2 means I am trying to solve it for your well understanding. b1 you can write in this way, cross way, b1 cross c2, same as here b2 by c1, same as here minus y, here means this part is y, so we hide it and get here a1, a2 and c1, c. It means a1, a2 and as here c1, c. We take here this way, okay, for multiplying, and equal to 1 means last one is this constant, it has no variable, it means it is 1 upon, here we hide it and get here a1, b2 and a2, b1. It means a1, a2, here b1, b2 and we have to cross multiply it. Okay, we have to cross multiply it. So we get here formula x upon b1 into c2, b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Okay, is equal to here minus y upon here a1 into c2 means a1 c2 minus here a2 c1, a2 c1 is equal to 1 upon here a1, here is b2, a1 b2, a1 b2 minus a1 b2 minus a2 b1. That's right, a2 b1. So we have to apply this formula to get the value of x and y. Okay, for your more knowledge, you have to see your book and exercise how to we get this formula. Okay, I have tried to make understand you that you can know very well about this. Okay, means this is the formula you have to apply in this exercise in all questions. Okay, x upon b1 c2 means here in this way b1 into c2 minus b2 c1, and here minus y upon a1 c2 minus a2 c1, and here 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, so you can write it in your notes. Again we solve exercise. Okay, See here, question number first of exercise. Question number first is x plus y is equal to 3 and 2x plus y is equal to minus 2. 2x plus y is equal to minus 2. X plus y is equal to 3. These are two equations. It is given here. Okay. Now we have to compare it by the formula means as ax plus b1 y plus c1 is equal to 0 and here a2 x plus b2 y plus c2 is equal to 0. Means on comparing with these equations we write here in this way. Now we remove it here, we get here after comparing. Okay, on comparing you can write here on comparing these equations, on comparing these equations with this. Okay, after writing it, now we get here x plus y, we have to change its side, means minus 3 is equal to 0. This one is equation first. Clear? And here 2x plus y is given, here minus 2. Once it will be changed inside, means if it will come left side, this will be plus 2 is equal to 0 because here minus 2, it will be changed here in plus 2. This one is equation second. Okay? You can get here first and second and here third and fourth. It's your way to solve it. Okay? Now we apply the formula. Okay? So we can apply here by using formula x upon here a1 is 1, means I am writing here again formula a1 b2 a1 sorry, here is x is here, so formula is b1 into c2, means b1 c2 minus here b2 c1. b2 c1 is equal to minus y upon y is hidden here, so a1 c2 minus a2 c1. This is formula is equal to 1 upon here, it will be hidden a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is formula. We apply here x upon here is a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. Okay, the coefficient of x is 1, that is here 1, and the coefficient of y is 1, here is 1, and coefficient of c1 is minus 3. If you want to write it, you can write here. Given that a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 1, and c1 is equal to minus 3. Again, and means in equation second, a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 1, and c2 is equal to 2. It is given from 1 and 2. Okay, a1 is 1, b1 is 1, and c1 is minus 3, a2 is 2, and b2 is 1, and c2 is 2. It's right? You can check it. Now put the values of b1 is 1 into c2 is 2, okay, minus b2 c1, b2 is here 1 given, and c2 is here minus 3. It is minus 3. It's right. You can write in this way. Okay. Is equal to minus y upon here is a1 1 into a1 is here 1 and c2 is here 2 minus here is a1 into c2 minus a2 into C1 is here minus 3, means 2 into minus 3. It's right. This one is here A1 C2 minus A2 C1 it's right, is equal to 1 upon A1 C2. A1 is here 1, you can see here also. A1 B2 is here 1, A1 B2 1 minus A2 B1. A2 B1 is A2 is here 2 and B1 is here 1. It's right. Now we can solve it here. Again is equal to R, we can write it R. X upon 2 1 2 minus 3 1 3 means minus 3 here. Rightly you can write here plus 3. It's right. How can see here 1 minus 3 1 minus 3 and here is minus plus. So we can write here 2 plus 3. Again minus y upon 2 1 2. Here is 3 2 minus 6 because it is plus 2 and here minus 3. 3 2 minus 6 minus plus 6. Okay. Again 1 upon 1 1 1 minus 2 1 2. It's right. See again x upon 5 is equal to minus y upon 8 is equal to here minus 1. Okay, you can solve here. We will get here minus 1 because 1 upon minus 1 means minus 1. From here see the question. Now x upon 5 is equal to minus 1. We have to compare with it. Means x upon 5 is equal to minus 1. That's right. So x is equal to, we multiplied cross multiplication, minus 5. It's right. Again and again minus y upon 8. We compare minus y upon 8 with minus 1 here. Minus y upon 8 is equal to minus 1. So we get here 8 1 8 minus y is equal to minus 8 minus cancel out, y is equal to 8. So in this way we find this answer. Means x is equal to minus 5 and y is equal to 8. It's right. It is our answer. It is very simple method, but we have to solve it by using this formula. Okay. See, this formula means when we have to apply the value of x, so we hide x and x upon b1 into c2. Okay. Again minus b2 into c1 means cross multiplication. Okay. After that, when you have to write minus y upon, means this will be given and here a1 into c2 minus a2 into c1. Okay. Again for constant, see here this is constant, we have to hide it. Okay. Now a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1. Only this formula we have to apply. And some other books we find here after derivation this minus will be there. Means this is plus y and here minus. Okay. But answer will be same. Okay. In some books, suppose that here is given plus y upon this and here is given minus 1 upon this. Don't worry. Answer will be same. Okay. So you can apply any formula. This formula or that formula which is denoted here minus 1. Okay. Both are same. It's right. I hope you can understand it very well and you can solve every question. Okay. Now I will discuss next type of question, but you have to do it. Only I am giving you hint how can you solve it. Okay. See here. Suppose that this question will be given in this way: x upon 5 plus y upon 3 is equal to 7 and y upon x upon 3 plus y upon 2 is equal to 9. In this way, we have to find coefficient. Coefficient of x upon 5 means a1 is equal to, what is, first of all we have to change the sign of constant, means it is plus, it will come here in minus. Minus 7 is equal to 0, and doing directly you can solve it. It is plus, here it will become minus, is equal to 0. Now we compare here, a1 is here 1 upon 5 given, a2 is given here 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 3, and c1 is, this is a1, this is b1, this is c1, a1, b1, c1. a1 is 1 upon 5 and here is b1, b1 is 1 upon 3 and here c1 is minus 7. It's right. Again, in this case, in this equation, a2, because a1 is here, a2 is here, a2 is equal to 1 upon 3 and here b2 is equal to 1 upon 2 and here c2 is equal to minus 9. Okay, now we have to put these values in our formula and you can solve this way. It's right. So I hope you can understand it very well and you can solve all questions in exercise. Okay, so I will teach you next exercise in next video. Okay, thank you class.